Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do something a bit more colorful. So I usually get a lot of my inspiration from Pinterest and Instagram. So for this video, I got my inspiration from a Pinterest post that I saw of a very colorful eye look. So for this eye look, it looks like she has a bit of green, purple, orange, maybe pink and yellow. And I figured it'd just be fun just to try to recreate it. I'll also link the Pinterest post below. If I can find her on Instagram, I'll tag her as well. Just thought it was a really pretty look and I wanted to try to duplicate it or at least make something similar. So yeah, let's get started. I already got my eyes primed and set and my eyebrows are done. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the eyes. I'm gonna be using the Zulu and the Festival by Juvias. This is the Zulu palette, and it's got some really pretty blues and purples and pinks. The Festival palette looks like this, and it has some pinks, reds, oranges, black, blues. And I haven't used these yet, so I'm super excited. When I saw that look, I was like, I gotta use these now. I'm gonna get started and use this color right here, which is a kind of like a greenish color. So I'm gonna put that on the crease. Green pretty up high on the crease. Looks like she has a purple, so I'm gonna start adding that a bit lower than where I added the green, it looks like. So I'm gonna use the one from the Zulu palette, this purple one right here. Pink. I'm gonna use Riche from the Festival palette, this one right here. And now for the lid, she has an orange. The one I'm going to be using is this orange here by the Zulu palette. This one right here. Finally, she has a yellow, and I'm going to be using this yellow right here from the Zulu palette. Alright, and that does it for the eyes. What do you guys think? How did we do? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the face off camera and I'll be right back to finish the eyes. Alright, so now that the face is finished, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the eyes. It looks like she just did green on the bottom lash. I don't see any other colors, maybe purple. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some green on the bottom lash. Green looks a little weird, so I am gonna go ahead and add a little bit of the dark purple that I put on the top. Then I'm gonna grab the same same brush I've applied the green with and just make sure everything's blended in. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a black liner. I'm gonna be using the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil Waterproof in Blacklove, and I'm gonna just apply that to the top lash. So then I'm gonna set the face, and I'm gonna use the Tarte Ready Set Radiant spray. Once that's been sprayed, I'm gonna apply my mascara. On the picture, it looks like she has some false lashes, but I'm not gonna be applying false lashes. Done. It looks like she has some highlight on the brow bone and on the inner corner, and it looks like it's a pretty bright color, so let's see. So I'm gonna apply the Uli from the Festival palette, this white right here. Using the Loreal Color Rich Shine in Glossy Fawn, which is this one, really pretty. Just figure I would do more of a neutral lip since we have a very colorful eye. Alright, so that finishes off the look for today. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I'm not sure if it's exactly the same, but we sure tried, and I think we did a pretty good job. You know, if you guys can see. And as far as the Juvias palettes, oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. They're so pigmented, but I just love how you can build them up to this color, or you can just have something more subtle, more, you know, not as crazy, but you can also build them up and get a really pretty, you know, eye look like the one that I got, and I just really like them. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I would also appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel, and if you do, please hit the notification bell so that way you'll be notified every time it is that I upload. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.